Welcome back, crypto scholars. Today, we've got something special in store for you. We're diving deep into a project that's designed with beginners in mind, making crypto accessible to everyone. In this episode, we're talking about CryptoUnity. Disclaimer.
The content shared on this channel is for informational and entertainment purposes only. We are not financial advisors, and our views should not be taken as professional advice. Cryptocurrency investments are risky and can result in losses. Always do your own research and consult with experts before making any financial decisions. We are not liable for any losses you may incur based on the information from this channel.
Introducing CryptoUnity. CryptoUnity, it's more than just a catchy name. It's a centralized crypto exchange that aims to be the new user's first choice. Now, let's address a few key points that caught our attention. First, the CUT token is set to launch on PancakeSwap on November 15th, and it's coming in at an initial price of 0.008 euros per CUT token. That's exciting news, and here's why. CryptoUnity has the potential to become one of the top 10 exchanges globally. That's a big deal. Addressing the problems. But before we dive deeper, let's talk about the problems that CryptoUnity is addressing head-on. People are skeptical about centralized exchanges because they often have control over users' funds. It's a valid concern, right? Well, CryptoUnity's solution is impressive. They're implementing an independent, regulated custodian. This custodian ensures that your assets remain safe and separate from the company's assets, no matter what challenges the company may face. Safety first, always. Making crypto simple. Now, let's talk about something that really excites us: CryptoUnity's focus on beginners. You see, the crypto world can be like a maze for newcomers. Many of them feel overwhelmed, and that's a major barrier to entry. CryptoUnity, though, is creating an all-in-one platform with a beginner-focused user experience. They're simplifying the journey for new users, providing educational resources, and offering support every step of the way. This is a game-changer for those just starting out. The power of CUT token. Let's shift our focus to the CryptoUnity token, CUT. This token has a range of use cases, making it a valuable asset within the platform. It's not just another token, it's the key to several exciting features. You can lower your fees when using CUT on the exchange, giving you an edge in trading. Plus, it grants access to the research part of the platform and exclusive opportunities with verified ICOs. You can even create, buy, and sell NFTs using CUT. And if that's not enough, it serves as a ticket to CryptoUnity workshops. Liquidity and staking. Liquidity is crucial in the crypto world, and CryptoUnity understands that. They've taken steps to ensure there's always enough liquidity available. A portion of tokens and funds are locked in the PancakeSwap liquidity pool, and fees contribute to increasing liquidity. Now, here's something that got us really excited: CUT staking. It's not just about increasing your token supply, it's about actively participating in the project's potential. Plus, CryptoUnity offers free BNB for gas fees, making it beginner-friendly. They've also adjusted their staking APRs, so there's even more reason to get involved. Join the CryptoUnity movement. Alright, folks, here's the part where I express my pride in being a part of the CryptoUnity project and my full support for it. It's not every day you come across a project that truly cares about its users and strives to make crypto simple for beginners. Highlighting achievements. Before we wrap up, let's highlight some of CryptoUnity's latest achievements. They've recently been listed on CoinMarketCap, a significant milestone. Their staking and buy and stake features are being implemented, and partnerships with Cryptomonedas EU are on the horizon. This project is on the move. Meet the team. Lastly, let's give a shout out to the incredible team behind CryptoUnity. These individuals are driven by determination, collaboration, and transparency. Anya Sinkovec, Sandy Spenko, and Davor Majk are leading the charge.
Welcome to the CryptoUnity Meet and Greet. We are building all-in-one platform for beginners. Learn with us, grow with us. Let's go. you like to be a part of our story, join us at CryptoUnity.org.
In conclusion, CryptoUnity isn't just an exchange, it's a movement. It's the bridge that connects beginners to the world of crypto. With its commitment to security, simplicity, and innovation, it's a project that excites us and has the potential to shape the future of crypto. So, crypto scholars, get ready for the launch of the CUT token on November 15th. And let's keep our eyes on the CryptoUnity project. Remember, you can receive 100 free CUT tokens by completing the tasks mentioned in the description below. Thank you for joining us today, and as always, stay curious, stay informed, and stay crypto savvy. This is Ryan signing off for Crypto Scholar. Until next time.